What's your emergency?
Hey, there was a guy, he just pulled a gun on me. I'm at Meadowview Point, or Meadowview Lane at the apartments.
What's the address?
I don't have the exact address, but it's on 15th, and...
Do you live in the complex, or are you just...
Yes, I do live in the complex. I do live in the complex. I was walking home, and the guy took my headphones, tried to pull a gun on me, and then when I tried to take my headphones back and hit him with my fucking board to defend myself, he pulled, like, the gun out like he was gonna fucking shoot me, so... And then he just came up to me apologizing, pretending like I was someone else. So, no, I'm not fucking dealing with that shit.
Was he white, black, Hispanic?
He's Hispanic. He had curly hair and glasses and tattoos.
Okay. Did he actually take your headphones?
Yes, he did. And I fucking got him back from him, but he took them. He tried to take my board, too.
What was he wearing?
Black shirt, jeans.
Just take your hands out of your pockets. Put your hands on the hood.
I could call her.
No, stop reaching your pockets.
I'm not doing it.
Stop. Put your hands on the pocket.
I can call her right now.
Stop. Turn around.
Just call me right now.
Come here.
Vanessa.
Stop.
Vanessa, the sheriff has the
Hey, tell me if they can approach.
and I'll try to tell him that I was already.
Turn around.
Your son was the one that.
Hey, 110, we're taking it to 11 suspect at gunpoint. J12 just east, or correction, just west of Country West.
Talk to him, please.
Hey, turn around.
I'm not doing it.
Turn around. Do not reach.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
Stop.
I'm not breaking the law.
Don't.
Look, talk to her, please. Talk to her.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not resisting. Stop.
Please.
Give me your arm. Stop. Give me your arm. Stop. Give me your fucking arm. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Get on the ground. Stop. Give me your fucking arm. Stop. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong. Stop. I helped her out. That's the manager. I live there. I'm a resident right there. I'm not doing nothing.
Put your fucking hands on your back.
You don't have to treat me like this. I'm not doing nothing wrong, sir. Please.
Stop.
Please. Please.
Stop moving his arm.
Please.
He's on the arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please.
You want to know where your son
Stop! Stop reaching! Stop fighting me! Hey, 417! Hey, put your fucking hands, you're gonna get shot! 417! Take it!
Help me!
Hey, turn again! Okay? Where you hit? Where? 998!
I have a 990. Is the suspect or deputy?
Deputy hit, suspect down!
Please.
He's on the arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please.
You want to know where your son
Stop reaching! Stop fighting me! Hey, 417! Hey, put your fucking hands, you're gonna get shot! 417! Take it!
Help me!
Put your fucking If you get any closer, you're gonna be detained and arrested. Do you understand?
I'm gonna call my uncle. He's a fucking.
So call him. Call him.
We'll fucking call him.
You want to know for your son?
Hey! Hey! What the fuck?
Now you guys are beating him!
You're beating him! Stay back! You're gonna get tased! Tase him!
Get back! You guys win! You guys win!
If you get any closer, you're gonna be detained and arrested. Do you understand?
I'm gonna call my uncle. He's a fucking. Hey! Hey! What the fuck?
Hey, you guys are beating him! They're beating him!
Stay back!
Stop fucking hitting!
They're hitting him! You...
Hey, Eric!
Hey, hey, hey!